Ever wonder where our everyday stuff comes from? Bricks to shoes, it's all ingenuity, machines, and a bit of fun. Stick around, it's satisfying, surprising, and pure beam laugh joy. Look at this clay coming out so smooth from the machine, sliced with a wire. It's like watching dough being shaped, but for a house. Pretty satisfying, isn't it? Now it slides along, wiped clean and cut into perfect bricks. There's something calming about it, like life taking shape with a little patience. Workers stack them with a wooden frame. So neat and simple, reminds me of building things by hand back in the day. If this smooth start feels good to watch, give it a little like it's just getting started. Here's concrete block making sand and cement pressed tight into molds, strong and ready. From mud to a solid foundation. It's amazing what machines can do these days. Graphite squeezed into smooth rods, cut so cleanly it's almost art. Makes me think of pencils we used as kids, but this is for serious work. They slice those rods into chunks with a wire saw, quick and precise, like trimming a good loaf. Now it spins into a crucible, so sleek, perfect for melting metals. It's oddly relaxing to watch, don't you think? Fluffy batting rolls up, soft as a cloud. It's the kind of thing that makes a quilt feel like home. Hay compressed into neat bales, tied up tight, reminds me of harvest time. Everything in its place, so orderly. This part brings back memories. What does it remind you of? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Plastic blows up into a barrel, like a bubble turning tough. It's wild how they make something so useful from a hot blob. They trim the edges, add handles. Suddenly, it's a barrel ready to hold anything. Watching this feels like seeing a craftsman at work, steady and sure. The harvester chops crops low and fast. It's like nature and machines dancing together, prepping food for the animals. Biscuits stamped with milk, crisp and charming, just like Grandma's baking. Ice cream cut into pops, sticks poked in so smooth and exact. Makes me want to grab one and sit on the porch like old times. Pasta twirls out, snip short simple magic from flour to plate. Long pasta tubes slide out elegant, like dinner's first step. Dough gets a lattice cut, so pretty stretch it, and you've got a pie crust that's pure art. Love that. Sunflower seeds packed into bags, sealed tight, small joys, neatly done. Toilet paper rolls wrapped and sliced into perfect little logs. It's funny how something so everyday looks this satisfying. Shoes start taking shape, leather stretched over a last. It's like watching a tailor fit a suit, but for your feet. Glue seals the sole. Fold it just right, steady hands and machines making something sturdy. Sanding the sole, sparks flying, it's rough work, but it's how the shoe gets its grip. Liquid sole injected, hugging the shoe, so seamless, like it was meant to be. Beautiful process. A press locks it all together, solid as a handshake and just as reliable. Fabric cut in stacks, so clean and quick I can almost see the coats and curtains coming to life. Metal turned on a lathe, curls flying off, it's hypnotic, like watching a sculptor find the shape inside. Precision at its best. From clay to shoes, quite a ride, right? Share this with a friend who'd enjoy it. And if you liked it, subscribing keeps us rolling with more. Metal pipe gets grooved, rolling smooth little details that make it stronger. That's it from Beam Laugh, a little piece of the world, built step by step with a grin thrown in. Makes you appreciate the everyday stuff a bit more, doesn't it? See you next time for another laugh.